Hello, I'm in a 2009 Nissan Versa and I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, you should see a lever here with a little tension that you pull. You should hear a little pop. That's the hood being released. And then so you can see behind here if it's needed. If you can see it, there's like a cable. Good view on it. You can see it there. So that cable should have a little bit of tightness there if it's not connected or really loose. You probably need to go in and reattach, tighten it however is possible. And then we'll go up to the hood. Most cars, there's a lever right around the middle. So it's right here on this car. So this one we're kind of pushing it this way and pulling up. So push, pull. So it's hooked on to that. And then this is what that mechanism looked like, which pushed this way, which released the hook here. If you're having issues, maybe this isn't aligned quite straight in the middle, or something with the hood not being on straight. Maybe some debris caught in here. Maybe you need some like WD-40 to loosen it up. But that's it. And then these parts aren't so expensive to replace if needed. But I hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.